Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty. Today I'm going to show you how you can craft the wooden hammer within this game. So let's get started right away. After opening up the game and starting your gameplay, you have access to a large open world where you can do almost whatever you wish. And in order to do these things, you will require various tools. In order to craft the wooden hammer, first you will need to unlock the ability to chop down trees. You can do this by crafting a wooden axe. Just collect 10 sticks and 2 stones. And from the crafting menu, you can just craft the stone axe using your resources. Once you have the stone axe, all you need to do is chop down 1 tree and collect 1 log. Then collect 10 stones that are scattered on the ground. And after you have all of these items, just go back to the crafting menu and then craft your wooden hammer. And once the crafting is done, you can equip this item within your quick slots in order to use them. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the wooden hammer on the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.